ready to unlock massive profits with a laser-focused online store. Today, we're diving into how to build a thriving one-product Shopify business. First, head over to Shopify and sign up for a free trial. It's quick and easy, and gives you everything you need to get started. Once you're in your dashboard, click Add Product. This is where the magic begins. We're going to meticulously craft the product page that sells. Write a killer product description. Focus on the benefits, not just the features. What problem does your product solve? Use compelling language and highlight what makes it unique. Next, upload stunning visuals. Invest in high-quality photos and videos that showcase your product from every angle. Show it in action, highlight its details, and make it irresistible. Now, customize your store's theme to reflect your brand. Keep it clean, simple, and focused on your product. Choose a theme that highlights visuals and makes it easy for customers to purchase. Time to market your one-product wonder. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and TikTok to reach your target audience. Run targeted ads and engage with potential customers. Don't forget social proof. Showcase customer testimonials and reviews to build trust and credibility. Positive feedback can be a powerful selling tool. Track your results using Shopify's analytics. Monitor your conversion rate, traffic sources, and sales data. This will help you optimize your store and marketing efforts for maximum profit. Provide exceptional customer service. Respond quickly to inquiries, address concerns promptly, and go the extra mile to delight your customers. Happy customers are repeat customers. And that's it. With a focused strategy and a killer product page, you're well on your way to building a highly profitable one-product Shopify store. Good luck.